bike riding with me. Let's get started. So first we were riding bikes, so I haven't had my bike out. We're gonna go like all the way down to Kennedy and stuff. So yeah, so cool it up. We're just gonna go in just a second. Just kidding. We're not leaving yet. Now we're leaving. So we're just riding bikes right now. My daddy's running and he hasn't stopped yet. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep it smooth. I have to use my iPad to record. I can't use my camera. But my brother's using his camera. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, he's using his, but I don't want to. I'm gonna use my iPad and just download it off and then upload it from the computer. Yay! So that's his camera, if you can see. Hold on, let me get closer. Hold on. Waterproof case on it right now. In case it drops or anything. Yeah. I did have like just little soft case on. Maybe later I'll take this for a little tour. Oh yeah. You know, you can just put a bag on your iPad and like zip it really good, and you can just take it swimming with you. Yes. Which I'd be scared to do that. Yeah. A plastic bag I've tried before. I mean, it does work. You tried it before? Mhm. Dad, can you touch that? And water. Yeah. That is crazy. So we're running. There's my daddy. It's been like 5 minutes. Good. It's like 5 or 10 minutes. It's been, I don't know. So far, Dad, it's been 6 minutes and 36 seconds. It's been 6 minutes. So we're gonna to go around all this stuff that is out. I'm holding it in my hand right now. I did have it down in my pocket, I guess. Yeah. So I'm holding it right now. I'm scared to do it. Holding it because I don't know. It's just scary. It's riskful. We're going at. Whoa. So, yeah, my dad. It's like a breezy day today. So it might not be a swimming day. It might get hotter, but we're in the shade. But when it gets in the sun, it feels good. Yeah.
Carson, you know how, like, no, I couldn't smoke because I think, ooh, what are they doing there?
Oh, that's their vacation Bible school. Our vacation Bible school is going to be cool. There's going to be people in bubbles and pigs dancing. Real pigs.
Yes.
Yeah, that's that vacation Bible school. Our church vacation Bible school is really fun.
That's what we do at Taylor.
I know, but our vacation Bible school at our church is really fun. So.
You just roll in a bubble?
Yes, and there's real pigs dancing. And like there's a circus going on and everything. Yeah. Mommy might volunteer though, Kaden. warriors. Even though we're not running. So I guess we're not warriors.
No, because I want to be able to turn the camera.
So I guess we're not warriors. My dad's a warrior. Yeah. So we're at Kennedy now. Maybe that far. You know, I just stopped at like, I don't know, 3 minutes ago?
But no one's there.
We're already at Kennedy. It says stop.
Oh, Kennedy's
Oh, it's red. So red means stop.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it was at walk. It was like lighting up. It's hard going one-handed.
No one's even there.
Okay, I'm gonna stop right now because it's getting busy.